A lot of different ways you can draw cartoon eyes, but I'm going to give you a few examples that you can use if you'd like. If there's another way that you'd like to draw your cartoon eyes, you can do that as well. So here's my example again. This is how I did my cartoon eyes, and I'll show you right now how to do it the way I did. I have my paper and my black marker. I'm going to do it nice and small so I have space to practice a few other ways. First, I'm going to start off with drawing two circles about the same size. This one looks a little smaller, so I'm just going to make it just a little bigger so the sizes match. Now I'm going to draw a little circle inside. In the corner, it could be either corner. Just make sure they're matching corners. And then I'm going to color in nice and even, and I'm going to draw one line curving down and another line curving down, and I'm going to do the same on this side, so one line curving down and one line curving down, both from the top. Then I'm going to do some eyelashes, and remember guys, everybody has eyelashes, boys, girls, everybody, they protect our eyes. So if you want to add eyelashes, that's great. If you don't, that's okay too. If you have light colored eyes or a different color eyes, I do have brown eyes, so I made mine kind of dark. You can do the same thing. Draw your circles. Draw the circles that go in the corners. I'm going to make that line just a little bit thicker than you would on this one. Then you would take a crayon or colored pencil or a colored marker, color in the rest of that. So I used blue in my example. And then again, you're going to make your curved lines on each side. And there you can have blue eyes, or if you have green eyes, or light brown eyes, or any other colored eyes, you can do it the same exact way that I just did. When we make our cartoon eyes, we're always going to start the same way. So we'll have our circle, circle, this time I'm going to make them brown. And you can make your lines different ways. So here I'm going to curve, and then I'm going to go straight down like that. Almost like half of a square. This is even. And then I can curve down on this side. Think about different ways. Let's do the eyes facing this way. Again, you can have them facing any way you want. I'll do green this time. And let's do the way that I did it here. It's kind of like half of a square. I'm going to do that on both sides. You can have your eyes like that. I'll do a few more examples for you, and you can kind of play around with how you position the lines around the eyes. You can have your eyes kind of looking up like this if you wanted to. I'm going to go in with a dark green this time. And I'm going to do more of a triangle. You see I kind of have that space left over. I'll just connect them at the top. These ones are a little close together, but again, I'm just practicing. And that's why it's great to practice, because then you can find out what works for you and what doesn't work for you. My eyelashes to this one, maybe a few other ones. All right, so what I want you to do is take a piece of paper and make some eye examples, play around with it a little bit, and see what you come up with.